Hey guys, what's happening? Today I'm going to test two cold shoe mount top handles and tell you about one that I think might be the best cold shoe top handle I've ever used. So first of all, why would you even want a cold shoe mount top handle? Well, there's a few reasons. These are great, but they sometimes just don't fit in a backpack or other when you got a lot of gear. This is one of my go-to pieces of gear, but I don't have a lot of space sometimes. This is a MOVO top handle, one of the ones I'll be looking at today. This is a SmallRig 2094 cold shoe mount top handle. So each one of these has pros and cons. Let's head over and take a closer look at them. Here's a closer look at the MOVO top handle. Pretty basic. It's got your quarter 20s along the side. It's got a cold shoe mount right there. And I've actually added another cold shoe right there. And it's got a little level right there. So that's kind of a neat little feature, having that level. You don't see a lot of little top handles having that. Let's put it on the camera and see what it does. Simply put it onto your camera. Screw it down. And there you go. It's on the camera. The one thing I notice about this rig is, see the play on that? It's hard to lock this one down. I mean, it's not going to come off, but it does wiggle a bit, so the mount is not that secure with this one. All right, let's check out the SmallRig 2094. As you can see right away, a lot more of a robust locking mechanism. And once that's on there, there is no wiggle at all. I mean, that is locked and loaded. Lots of quarter 20s, some cold shoe mounts here, which I really like. There's one feature here, I don't know if you notice it, but this is what I really like about this rig. Right on the side here, you'll see a little lock. You can knock that down. You can slide in your flash, your microphone, your monitor, and with this little lock here, you're going to lock that in, and it's not going to slide off here, which some cheap cold shoe mount have that possibility, right? There's nothing locking it in, so it can go. One other real cool feature I like about this that I'm going to show you right now. If you'll notice at the front of this SmallRig, right there, you're going to see a little lever there, and there's a bigger hole. So what is this for? Well, if you go and pick yourself up another little carbon fiber rod, I bought another cold shoe mount here from Camvate, and what I can do is pretty simple. Now I've got a small arm to put on another microphone or a monitor or another light. This is a handy little feature. This is all lightweight. It's not putting any pressure on my mount on my camera, which I know some people talk about. But this is a real great mini cage option when you don't have a lot of room. So what's my verdict? Well, if you don't mind spending the extra cash, the SmallRig 2094 is an awesome little top handle. I use it all the time now on my camera. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave some comments below. Hey, this is a new channel, so drop me a sub. I appreciate your support. And if you've got a better top handle, let me know and maybe I'll review it.